How to find contacts in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Messenger on a device. Now tap on three lines at the bottom right corner. Now simply open up settings. Now scroll down and tap on account center. Again scroll down. Now tap on your information and permissions. Now tap on upload contacts. Now select Messenger. Now tap on upload contacts and tap on turn on. Now give the permissions. Now tap on done. If you want to manage the contacts, simply tap on manage contacts. Now wait for some time. Now simply log in into your account and you will be able to manage the contacts. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.